Just out and about today, gonna have a good look around, see what I can find in a nice little area here. Hope to find something in here, but we'll see. I need to check on a few today as well, cover a little bit of ground, some updates. But aye, the sun is shining, and hopefully we'll get some nests. Yeah, let's see. Well, not too far in, and I've got a beautiful bullies ready to go. Look at that. Brand new. Built. That's the third one. You get it in there. It's the gorse. Yeah. Bullfinch, that one, ready to go. That's a good start. Excellent. Chiff chaff alarm call. Yeah. Quite close to its nest on the path, but I'm not going to trample in. It's just too much greenery really, and I'm just going to leave a track. But yeah, it's there. It's as you can hear, it wants to get back in. So it's a male, of course, but no, leave that one. No, it's active though. Let's go. Quick check back in on the. This was the linnet nest that had, well, it didn't have any. It was just freshly built. Didn't have any eggs in it. There you've got it there now. It's got 3. Yeah, that's a good one. That one. It's well tucked away. Well tucked away. You see the coloration of them eggs. Yeah, I can hear it as well. So I'm getting out. Right. Just on the ground here, in this little bramble, you can see a pheasant's nest there. There's a lot of eggs in there, or had a lot of eggs in there. It's been predated, of course. But the funniest thing was recording that linnet nest with the 3 eggs. You can hear in the background that scratchy song, which was the common whitethroat. I just came round from the gorse into this bramble section with bramble, and the whitethroat lifted out of this bramble. I thought I had found the whitethroat nest, but he or she was in here for a different reason. I'm not saying that he was the first on the scene, but he certainly had his share. What a shame that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with big cracks in it. See all the yolk. It looks like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you know what that looks like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It looks like another 7 intact. Well, 12 eggs, 12 or 13 eggs in there. But there you go. Found that. See, you can hear the whitethroat back now. That scratchy song. He wants to come back in here. He's up. And that hawthorn just at the top there. see if I can get some footage, see if I can get them coming back to this. Yeah, just looking at the second linnet in this area. I'm still where the predated pheasant's nest is. I'm still going to hang around. I've got that bullfinch that had the earliest stick construction going in. I need to check that, but this one is now, it had 3. Yes, this one had 3. And you can see that full clutch in there for 5. Yeah, you can hear the linnet wanting to get back in, so we'll leave this one, but I'm transfixed with that predated pheasant's nest. That whitethroat is back and forwards, but it will not come down. It obviously knows I'm here. I'm going to hang around a bit more to see if that's going back in there. Right, get out of here and let the linnets back in. I've just come back for another quick look at that pheasant nest, and I'm trying to get them or capture them whitethroats coming back into this. Both are coming to this bramble. I seen them as soon as I got the camera out. They were gone. They're back there again. They both want to get back in here. And that's the reason. Definitely a pair. Common whitethroat. I'm going to get this. Just back. What I think is the willow warbler site, you know, that moss dome. It's all feathering in there now. Ready to go. I do. I keep hearing the willow warbler here. Oh good, it's chipped off now. Yeah, I think I've got the willow warbler in there. Right, let's get out. Just back at the damp chiffchaff nest that I'd found. It didn't have any there, but I don't know if I'll be able to get a look, but oh yeah, it's like, I think there's 4 eggs in there now. Yeah, 4 eggs. That's where I got nettled. Took us a little while to find that bloody thing again as well. It's just tucked away in there. Back at the bullfinches with 1 egg. This is the one I mistook for a linnet. And disaster. I should have really had 4 or 5 by now. Someone's been in there, or something's been in there, sorry. Got it. That was an absolute beauty little nest, that. Nice, something's got in there. Looks like an eggshell there as well. Yeah, that would have had, or should have had 4 or 5 by now. Lost the bully. There's some more eggshell down there as well. Newly well, I thought it was the beginning of a new construction in there. It looked like it was going in great. Chaffinch is heard and seen in this area, but no more development than that. Never mind. There is a path that leads from the eyes to the heart, but does not go through the intellect. Who said that? That was my path on this one. Never mind. Quick check in on the Dunnock, which had the 3 eggs. 1 egg had hatched out, and that one is gone. No way that could have gotten out, but that's a shame, that one. It's that nest, remember, I wasn't the greatest construction, but it's out of there. Shame about that. Just to show you this in here, if I can get past the nettles. That there is a whitethroat, common whitethroat nest, I think. Let's have a look around that side. I think it's a common whitethroat. Hey, watch for a bird coming back, but yeah, I'll get out of here. It's just got 2 eggs in there. Just to check on me remaining Dunnock nest. Happy days. Still going strong. That's the full clutch. That's the 4. I've had a nest ripped out, and the other one, which I've got the clip of, the young's out of there, and not by their own accord. But I'm pleased to see this one's doing well. It's a nice, it's quite well hidden, this one. She checked on the bullfinch, and that was devastating news. Still got 2 more, but Dunnock, last one.